Right, this is Novotel Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaiser Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. My brother, how's it?
I'm good. Yourself, brother?
Good, thank you, man. How do you feel about the game today?
The game was fantastic and atmosphere was great. Kenya go bolela fela ka game in general.
General, yeah.
Re ba jele batho. Ba tlolo ba balabala.
Yeah,
Ba itse re ba fa di reject tsa rena. And then ba nya go di berekisa mara a di pa berekeng.
Yeah, they zama mara athletes.
Ke mphona re ba berekisang ko rena. So a re tswe mo yona braya ka game na ile monate and then ba tlolo bolela ka referee.
Yeah.
E rileng referee.
Bare ne le offside ne se offside. Bare tsa lena di akora tsa bona di goal.
Ba tla e bona.
Yeah.
Bruak ba re jaga na go demons
Yeah,
re ba jele e fela mo.
Yeah.
Why to to bit.
Yeah. No,
Yeah, and then
So, but what do you think? Made Hore like le dale very well today against Chiefs, because Chiefs, on a serious note, you're a Sundowns fan.
Yeah.
This Kaiser Chiefs not the same as the Kaiser Chiefs here last year.
you know what's happening, my brother, ne? Ba dlala ga
Yeah.
di player tsa rena gore rena ro maka mang lebella mang and rena le di versatile players.
Yeah.
Ana o ke mkhulisi o ke ne mabena na o tsalang.
It was gonna be tough. But at least Mkhulise got a chance.
O wetsitse.
Yeah, after a very long time.
Yeah, and then I change again.
Yeah.
I change me bra. Re ba jele e fela mo. Tse ding tse ba di nyagang
Yeah.
ba tla di bona go mora.
No, thank you very much, my brother.